Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about anti-spoofing, also called liveness detection for face recognition systems. In simple words, how do we make sure the face in front of the camera is a real person and not just a photo or video trying to fool the system? Imagine this, you have built a great face recognition app. It unlocks when it sees your face sounds perfect, right? But then someone holds up your printed photo and boom, it unlocks. That's called spoofing, not very secure. So how do we stop it? That's where liveness detection comes in. One of the easiest free method is blink detection. A real human blinks naturally. Photos don't. So you can track the eyes using OpenCV and DLIB and check if they close and open in a natural way. If no blink is detected, sorry, access denied. Another method is motion analysis. Ask the person to move their head left, right, up or down. A real face shows natural 3D movement. A flat photo can't. There's also texture analysis. Real skin has depth and tiny details. A printed photo or a screen has flat surface and pixel patterns. With OpenCV and free pre-trained models, you can compare textures to see if it looks genuine. Now, let's make this interactive. Imagine I hold a paper photo of myself in front of the camera. What will the system say? Hopefully, nice try, but you are too flat. Now, if I'm really here blinking, turning my head, maybe even smiling, and the system says, okay, you are alive, come in. The beauty is you can implement many of these methods with free tools. OpenCV for face detection, DLIB for facial landmarks, and Python for combining it all. No need to buy expensive commercial software. Of course, nothing is perfect. In very bright light, the system may struggle. Some hackers even try fancy tricks like high-quality videos. That's why advanced systems combine multiple checks, blink detection, head movement, and texture analysis together. And even a simple free liveness detector makes your face recognition system far stronger than just comparing images. It stops the easy attacks and adds a layer of security without extra cost. So that's liveness detection in a nutshell. Fake versus real, photo versus person, spoofing versus security. The next time you build a face recognition system, don't just recognize a face, make sure it is alive. And if you liked it, don't blink too long, just nod your head towards the subscribe button.